Are outdated policies and compliance hurdles slowing your team down? Let's explore the secret to keeping policies agile, adaptable, and always in line with your team's goals. One powerful approach is to leverage automation in centralized repositories. Automating policy workflows allows you to streamline approvals, updates, and distribution, significantly reducing the risk of errors and delays. A centralized repository offers a single, trusted source of truth, which helps maintain consistency across the organization. With this system in place, you can ensure that everyone is working with the most current policies, reducing the risk of violations and improving compliance. Another key strategy is empowering employees with easy access to policies and procedures. When employees can quickly find, understand, and apply your organization's policies, compliance becomes far more manageable. By using the right policy management tools, organizations can offer a user-friendly interface that employees can engage with easily. Real-time reporting and analytics give managers valuable insights into policy engagement and compliance rates, so they can quickly address any areas of concern. If your organization already operates within the Microsoft ecosystem, SP Marketplace has the solution for you. Designed to streamline the policy lifecycle within Microsoft 365, SharePoint Policy Management ensures a compliant, unified organizational culture, simplifying policy adherence from development to acknowledgement. It can integrate seamlessly with your existing infrastructure, making it easier to manage, track, and update policies without the need for complex third-party tools. Effective policy management is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for any organization that wants to stay ahead of the game. A link to speak with our team is in the description below. Until next time.